What is going on, fellas? Can anybody hear me? What's up, Gonzo? That's right, Gonzo. That's right. How's work, bro? How's work for you? Everything good over there? Shots. That's good, bro. That's good. Oh, there's the wifey. There's the wifey. Okay, good stuff. Good stuff. Hey, so let me explain to you guys what I've been doing. Well, me and my wife been doing lately. We've been day trading. These are I moved to reefers. Good stuff. Hell yeah, Gonzo. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. That'll work. Gary Bates, what's going on, Gary Bates? So yeah, let me explain to you guys what me and the wife been getting into lately. This is what's called futures, and you can trade this on. Show you guys on a 5-minute basis. You can trade it on a 15-minute basis. You can trade it on all these hours, and you can change. I don't know if you guys can see that. Move you guys over. Oh, what the hell did I do to the screen? Anywho, yeah, you can make money off of all this stuff. The 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, all that good stuff. But I'm trying to explore with this new app that my grandson put on for me, so you guys bear with me for a little bit, because I'm trying to get the hang of it. He gave me a crash course real quick, and I'm still trying to figure it out. I can barely see your guys' comments; they're being cut off. But anywho, yeah, these are futures. So these are partial stocks that you can trade. On the weekends, this is what I'm gonna be doing, guys. I'm gonna be doing some videos on stocks, futures. I don't do bitcoins. I don't like bitcoins. Gold, I don't trade gold as well. But let me show you guys what it is that you can do for a partial amount of money, so you guys can try to figure it out. My best advice to you guys is check out YouTube. And just type in day traders, and there'll be a bunch of guys that day trade, and they'll show you some strategies on how to go about it. But it's good money, guys. It is really good money. You can make great money. You can lose a lot of money. It looks easy, but believe me, it is not easy. But I'm gonna show you guys just a couple of prop firms that you can go to. So a lot of you guys think you need thousands and thousands of dollars to get into the stock market, to trade, and it's not like that. It is not like that whatsoever. Let me tell you guys what this is about. So again, my best advice is check out YouTube. Check out them videos for about maybe a month before you decide to get into this day trading stuff, so you can learn what it is to day trade. Okay. But you know what? Did I? Yeah, I didn't do it. Hold on, guys. Let me see if it'll let me do it. Yeah. Okay. Let me see. Bullinox. There it is. Oh, no, no, no. Hold on, guys. Hold on. I know some of you guys are like, what the hell is this dude doing? But I want to see if I can get more truckers interested in doing this. Okay, drawdown is 2,000. Let me see. Let me see. Whoa. Okay, never mind. No scalping, no scaling account. Oh, that's crazy. Anywho, so a lot of people think, you need a lot of money to get into this. Okay, you don't need a lot of money, guys. Believe me, you don't need a lot of money. Uh, this is these are some of the accounts that some of these prop firms have. The prop firms are like banks. They'll lend you some money so you can trade this money for a small amount of money. So, what are you talking about, Victor? Okay, so like say for instance, let's say we're gonna get a 50K account. Okay, so in reality, they're lending you 1,500 because that's all you can lose. 1,500 in static. In intraday, a 50K account, you can lose up to 3,000. Okay, and monthly, this is what it's gonna cost you: $59 if you go static, 90 bucks. If you go end of the day, is $99. And this is with trade day, guys. Trade day. Okay. My funded futures. Okay. A 50K account, $27 a month. You can lose up to 3,000, and so forth and so forth. Okay. So in other words, these prop firms are like your banks. They'll lend you some money so you can trade it and make some money. It's not hard. I mean, it is hard. It is hard. Believe me, it is hard. It's not a walk in the park. Believe me, because you have to get accustomed to reading these candles, when they're gonna go down, when they're gonna go up, when they're gonna go sideways. And that's when you put in your trades. Like say for instance, you read this that it's gonna go down, you can put in a trade here and you make money going down. Going up, same way. So as far as what people say, the market's gonna crash, if it crashes, it crashes. Believe me, it doesn't really matter, because you are gonna make money regardless, whether it crashes or it goes up. There it is. This is not a real account. This is a demo account, by the way. It's not even a demo account. It's just, I don't know, when you go on their website you can see it. But yeah, guys, prop firms. Look at this prop firm. This is Bullinox. This is a 50K account. You can trade 7 contracts, and you can't lose more than 3,000 a day. Okay, if you lose 3,000 a day, your account is eliminated. What you want to do when you buy an account is you want to look for this EOD, end of day. This is Bullinox, my funded futures. Look at EOD, end of day. I'll explain to you in a little bit. Hold on. Trade day. Let's see. Okay, end of day. See right here, end of day. You don't want to get intraday, okay? Because intraday is kind of crazy. Del Toro, why don't you have invested in crypto? That's the thing, Toro. Uh, there's a difference between an investor and a day trader. Okay, you as an investor, you're gonna let it sit there for, you know, I don't know, a week, 2 weeks, a month, 6 months, a year, and you'll see a return in your money of, you know, I don't know, 1,000, 5,000, you know, whatever. But when it comes to day trading, I can make that 1,000 3 4 minutes, 5 6 minutes, in an hour, tops. You know, it all just depends on your contracts, which are these right here. How much money are you willing to put into this trade right here to gain? So that's the difference between a day trader and an investor. If you want to let your money just sit there and, you know, build interest, that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. But I'm just trying to show you guys a different way other than investing money. This right here, you can make money like this, guys, like this. I wish the market was open today. The market's not open today. Today is the only day that the market is closed. The stock market is closed the whole day. It'll open tomorrow at 3 o'clock, and we'll be able to trade tomorrow at 3 p.m. all the way to 2 p.m. tomorrow. And then it closes for an hour from 2 to 3, and then it opens back up. So the market is open 23 hours a day, 6 days a week. Okay? So, no, because Sunday it's open till 3 p.m. It closes at 3 p.m. So you guys get the idea. But yeah, that is the reason. Have you liquidated any gains? Well, that's the thing, Toro. You liquidate your gains on the minute basis, on the 2 minute basis. You know. So, say for instance, if you look right here, this is the 5 minute. This you can put whatever times you want right here. That's my Bible right there. The 15 minute, and then the 2 minute, and you see now you got this stuff. So you can change it to any time frame that you want. So this is the way it works. So say for instance, I put in a trade here. Let's say we're gonna sell. Sell means down, okay? Or it also means short. The market's not open, so I don't think it'll let me open up a trade. Oh man, I should have logged into my trading view so you guys can see. But anyways, say for instance, right here, this one looks more clear. Let's see. What the hell? Why does it keep doing that? Okay, here we go. So say for instance here, you catch this, okay? Again, this is 3 minutes, okay? It's right here. It says 3 minutes. So you catch this going down, which is a sell. You press sell or a short, right? Oh my goodness. Get out of here, dude. Opportunity and futures. No, dude. Get out of here, you funny son of a biscuit. Alright, let's go over here. Okay, so let's say here we are on the 1 minute, okay? That's the 1 minute, okay? So say for instance you catch it going up, which is called a long or a buy, okay? You got 5 contracts here. So as it's going up with minis, every tick is $50. So this candle to the top right here is an easy $1,000. Well, maybe not. Maybe about $500. And then from the bottom of this candle to midways right there, probably, I don't know, $400. So can you imagine? Within a few minutes, you made that money. So again, investing is cool, But day trading is where it's at, guys. I'm telling you guys, it's beautiful. Uh, Bullinox, they have this thing. Oh, oh, sorry about that. $125 a month for a 5K. It's really not a 50K account because you can only lose $3,000. So it's kind of like they're using reverse psychology on you guys, but that's what they call it, 50K. Okay, and 100K, it's 6,000 that you can lose a day, and it's $155 a month. Uh, this one I really like. This one I really really like. End of day, 50K, $99. You can trade 5 micros or 5 minis, which is really good. No, you don't have to. You don't have to have money, Del Toro. Like I said, like a 50K account. This is all you're paying is $99 if you go with a prop firm, and you can lose up to $3,000. Once you lose the $3,000, then your account is blown, and then you can just buy another account. That's the way the prop firms make their money, is by you guys blowing accounts. You buy account after account after account. If you look at this, it looks pretty simple, right? It looks pretty simple. It's gonna go down, right? It's gonna go sideways, and then it's gonna go up. You think you can predict that, right? That you can see it coming, but believe me, it is hard when these candles are moving. It is really hard to predict how the market's gonna move. There's a bunch of strategies that people use to make money, because sometimes their strategies do work, but you don't need a lot of money, guys. You don't need a lot of money. Like, for instance, look at the end of the day, this 50K account, you can lose up to 9,000, and you have to pay $225. It's not expensive at all. Look, like this one, intraday, which is not good. I don't recommend intraday to anybody, especially to beginners. $59. You can trade up to 50 micros or 5 minis. You don't need a lot of money, Del Toro. That's Bullinox again. Look at my funded futures. A 50K account, 127 a month. And this is the thing, is you buy the account. Say, for instance, your profit target is 3,000, right? Once you hit that 3,000, they'll fund you, right? And then you got to trade again to make another 3,000. Anything above 3,000, you can ask for a payout. So investing is cool, Del Toro. Investing is real cool, but do I recommend it? I don't recommend it, guys. Because if you can study this, if you can do some day trading, it is way better. I've recruited about nine truckers so far, and it's a learning process. It's a learning process how these candles move. It is not easy. I'll be the first to say it is not easy to predict that the market's going to go down, then it's going to go up. It's hard. But that's why you need to do your due diligence and do your studies and practice on how to day trade. And how do you practice? You go here. You go to TradingView. You guys see it up here. It says tradingview.com. I mean, you could. Let me see what the hell this is. Get the hell out of here, dude. No, I don't have no Del Toro. I don't have any cryptocurrency. I don't have no currency at all. I don't know why this thing keeps showing like I said, I don't like investing. Put it that way, you know. Uh, you know, I scratch that, Chris. Scratch that. Um, right now, I'm not investing. I'm just making profit on a minute basis, on a 2 minute basis, 5 minute, 30 minute, half an hour, 15 minutes. That's how we are making our money, me and my wife. Just by doing this day trading. Uh, Crypto. Um, I'm okay with crypto. Okay, I'm okay with crypto. Uh, I'll tell you a story. I got a trucker that called me up, and he said, "Hey Victor, invest in crypto because it's gonna fly to the moon, this and that and that and this." And I said, "Okay, okay, that's fine." Uh, but I told him, "You know what? I got something better for you." And I told him about this, and he's been stuck ever since. And he's recruited 4 or 5 other truckers, and it's been fun. It has been fun. It's a good learning experience, and it's nice. Believe me, this is way better than crypto. Uh, well, I shouldn't say that. I shouldn't say that because all you guys need to invest. Everybody needs to invest because it's for your future. That is for sure. It's just you gotta find the right investments. Crypto I don't think is one of the good long term investments. I know a lot of people have made a lot of money over it, but me personally, I it's just my personal opinion. But who am I? I ain't nobody. I'm just a trucker. That's it. So, but it's just my opinion. I'd rather do this, study the charts, study these candles, when they're gonna go up, when they're gonna go down, and make some money off of that. XRP is pumping big, I heard. Yeah, XRP is pumping big. Which accounts are you using for your day trading? Which accounts? I have a live account, and then I have a Top Step account, and then I have a Take Profit account. How do you set up uh, the Toro? Like I said, bro, from the beginning, from right now, if you really want to get into this, the best thing to do is go on YouTube day and night, it doesn't matter, and just type in day traders, and you'll see a bunch of dudes day trading. If you get on YouTube at let's say 6:15, 6:20, put day traders live, and you'll see all the dudes that are day trading at that time, at that moment, and it's crazy. It's crazy. There is a lot of people that are making money, but to get started, just go here. Go to day trading, trading view, make an account. You can trade for 30 days for free. Okay, but don't make an account right now. Don't make an account right now. Just wait. Wait till you've seen, I don't know, a week and a half, 2 weeks of YouTube videos of day traders. Wait till you're done with that, and then go do the 30 days with TradingView. After your 30 days with TradingView are up, you'll have a delay, which is, it'll show this little D. That means, oh, you see it? Market close, data is delayed. So once you get that D, that means yeah, you're done. You're gonna have some delays, so you might as well buy an account. Let me see if crypto's open. Oh, look at that. Crypto is open. I mean, Bitcoin is open. Get the frick out of here, dude. I don't know why this dude keeps popping up. God darn it. Get out. Oh, this fool. All right, dude, get out of here. Okay, let me shut this one down, and then let me shut this one down. Okay, let's go to Bitcoin, and let me give you guys an example. Let's see if it'll let me trade. This is not a real account right here, guys. Okay, I should have logged into my account, but I didn't. But okay, like say for instance, right there, it's really not gonna do much. It looks like it's just going sideways for right now. Let's go to the 1 minute. Let's see what it looks like. Alright, looks like a pump. So let's see if it'll let me buy. Nope, it won't let me buy, guys, because this is not a real account. Uh, Tradeovate. This is my account, but I don't. Tradeovate doesn't trade. Do they? I don't know. But anyways, I don't have. Let me see if they trade. I'm looking real bad right now, guys. Let's see. Bitcoin? Do we have Bitcoin? Let's see. Bitcoin? Let's see, guys. No, I don't think. I mean, it says it does, but I've never tried trading Bitcoin here. Let's see. Let me see. Auto chart. Nope, guys. Nope. Well, it does show on the 30 minutes, but that's the 5 minute. Looks all choppy, looks all nasty. I don't know why. Let me try to change the candles to Fibonacci. Well, let's see. Let's see if we can trade. Let's see if we can trade something, guys. Let me give you guys an example. So I got 5 contracts right here. Let's see if this thing pumps. Because I don't think I can trade Bitcoin. Yeah, this thing's not moving. This thing's not moving at all. I don't think I could trade Bitcoin on my account. To tell you the truth, guys. That's crazy. But this is what I trade. I trade NQ. That's what I trade. But anywho, yeah, guys. I mean, you don't have to spend a lot of money. Primo, ¿qué onda, Vic? In India, moving ethanol ATM. Good stuff. But yeah, you don't need a whole lot of money to make money in day trading. All you need is to learn how to day trade. Learn how these candles move. And there's a bunch of prop firms. That's what you call them. They're prop firms, but they're pretty much a bank. You know that you can day trade on. You know. That's all they are. They're just banks that are lending you money for you to day trade. This is MyFunded Futures, and everybody's got different charts to look at the candles. Like there's a bunch of prop firms that use this one. This one's called Tradeovate. I use this one 80% of the time. I'm using this one. Why do I have these crazy looking candles? Hakanachi candle. Hakanachi. Yeah, a lot of prop firms use this one. I use this chart 80% of the time. My wife uses this one. I use this one too, but my main one is Tradeovate. This one's called TradingView. This is what it's called. It's called TradingView. But again, prop firms are there to lend you the money. And just do yourself a favor, when you go buy one of these accounts, make sure it says end of day. You don't want intraday. Intraday is too hectic. you will see the difference between intraday and end of day. I just seen the clock. Boom. The clock is moving on this thing, but I don't see the freaking candle moving. Well, I really would like to show El Toro. Oh my God, dude. Get the hell out of here, dude. Go away. I really would like to show El Toro this kind of stuff. I don't know if you ever seen El Toro, but it's nice, man. It is really nice. Oh, wait a minute. It won't let me do a trade anyways, because it's not a real account. So, yeah, guys. NDS! I'm trading beer for tequila. Good stuff, NDS. What's going on, man? Where you been at? How's work? And I hope everybody's doing good as far as freight is concerned, because, yeah, I know freight is crazy. It is nuts. Get Royal Vic. Just here, NDS trying to give you guys something else to look forward to as far as trying to make money out here, you know. As much as I love trucking, I don't know what my future holds, to tell you the truth, you know. I tell everybody, you know, everybody has a lowrider in their garage. I don't have a lowrider in my garage. I have my 18-wheeler. That is my lowrider, you know. I got that thing chromed out as much as I could, you know, and every time I can, I throw some chrome on there, you know, whether it's mud flaps, you know, whatever it is, you know, I'm always throwing chrome on that damn thing. So that is my lowrider, guys. But again, look into this, guys. Look into this. This is really good. A real good way to make some money. Make sure your prop firms, when you go to buy them, they have these initials, or they flat out say end of day. You know, that's what you want. You want something end of day. Intraday, it's gonna blow you out. Let me explain to you what intraday is. Intraday is, say for instance, this candle goes up and the price of this candle shows $100, and then it starts retracing back, and you close it right there, and you only take $50 out of it. Well, it went all the way to 100, so that other $50, you're gonna lose it. So it's gonna go against you. So you're gonna win $50 and you're gonna lose $50. So in a 50K account, if you go intraday, you can only lose $2,000. So you already gained $100, which is going towards this, but you already lost $50, which is going towards this. So that's why you don't want to get an account that says intraday. You want end of day or static. End of day means if this candle went up $100, then it came down, it retraced back down, and you closed out your position at $50, that $50 that you lost, it's not gonna count to the end of the day. So say for instance, it's almost about to close, right? You're about to take your last trade, and you haven't made no profits and you haven't lost nothing, right? So you take a trade here, going long or buying, however you want to put it, and you don't close it. And the candle comes back, and you're thinking it's gonna come back to profit because you got into the trade here. It's gonna come back to profit. Well, it never comes back to profit, and you close it. So say it went down $100. That $100 will show up here that you lost $100. So that's the difference between end of day and intraday. Don't ever get an intraday account, okay? This is what you're looking for. Like this is Bullanox. Bullanox has some great deals. Sometimes their accounts are at $17 a month, which is real good. So EOD, end of day. That's what that means, okay? My funded futures, okay? EOD, end of day, okay? So them are the kind of accounts that you want to get. I don't have a my funded futures, but I don't know. I'm working on it. But yeah, that's the whole shebang when it comes to day trading, guys. Something else that you guys can do while you're trucking, and believe me, it's hard. I know it's hard, but there's quite a few of us that are day trading while we're still trucking, while we're picking up, while we're delivering, while we're doing live unloads, while we're doing live loading. So if we can do it, you guys can do it as well. Looking into getting back and still have my APM account. Good stuff. We need to invest for the future. I think inflation has caught up with rates. What's your account sitting at right now, Vic? Can you leverage trading as far as credit? Let's say credit. As far as let me turn you guys over here. Let me turn you guys on over here so I can see your guys' comments, because this program that my grandson downloaded, or app, I don't know what it is. It's just crazy. It's crazy. Oh crap, I can't even. Oh, there you guys are. There you guys are. What the hell? What is this? So, what does the end of the day, static, and intraday? Intraday means that. What the shit? I didn't know that went on. Okay, let's see this one. Oh, shucks, they all came on. What the fuck? Yeah, I'm gonna have to erase a lot of videos, guys. I'm just looking at videos that when my grandson was trying to help me put this together, I see that they went on YouTube. It's okay though. It is alright. I don't know, I can't see you guys. I can't see the live stream. So what do you think of flatbed work? Flatbed work is real good, Del Toro. Flatbed work is real good. It's more consistent than dry van, that's for sure. But anyways, back to the topic. Day trading, guys. Look into it. Look into it. For all you truckers out there, look into day trading, because it is really nice. It is a good way to make money. All these prop firms, Bullanox, My Funded Futures, Trade Day. There's a gang of them, guys. There's a gang of prop firms that you can look into, and believe me, you can make some great money. You can make some great money. YouTube it, watch other YouTubers do this stuff, and you'll see how good it is to make money. Okay, but the bottom line is this. The bottom line is this. End of day, intraday. What is the difference? That is the difference. Intraday, you don't want to touch intraday. Unless you have some skills already. Intraday is it's good. It's good. But for a beginner, and a day is better. You'll see the difference. You won't blow accounts as fast. So that's what I recommend. Okay. All right, fellas. Well, like I said, on the weekends, these are the kinds of videos that I'm gonna be posting. So if you're not into day trading, or you want to get into day trading, come around on the weekends, and I'll be talking about day trading. Saturday or Sunday. I'll try to post 2 videos. If not, I'll just post one, so you guys can see what day trading is about. If it's on a Sunday, I'm hoping the market will be open. I'm hoping I can do a video at 3 p.m. so you guys can see me day trade. You can see how much you can make, and hopefully you guys can get into this, because it's great, man. It is great. All right, fellas. Well, if you guys are out there driving, drive safe, be safe. We'll see you guys in our next video.